Guys, welcome to the cap section of our website. I want to go over how we navigate the site and the different caps that we have available, the way that we specified them. That way you can properly pick the right cap with the right neck because we sell them separately. Anyways, sit back, let's take a minute and let's go over it. Hey guys, okay, welcome to our website. This is fueltankparts.com. This is our online store for Boyd Welding. So one thing I need to point out before we get started is that this is based on searching on a PC. If you're on a mobile or on a tablet, your navigations might be a little bit different. The views might be a little bit different, but the information that we're going to go over is still relevant. So just keep in mind that this is based on a PC and your view might look a little bit different. All right, so we're going to go click on the parts section and click on the cap section for this video. And assuming that this is your first time here, I want to go over kind of like the way that we intend for you to shop. So I tried to make the pictures as clear as possible, show exactly what it is that you're going to be purchasing, and keep them big. I didn't make a lot of drop-down navigation or anything like that. So pretty much the way I intend for you to do this is to just find a cap simply that you visually like, and then we can worry about the details later. So let's just assume that you're interested in this aluminum cap that we actually manufacture. And so let's click on the link to bring the product up. The first things that you'll notice is that we have really clear pictures, and you can kind of hover over top of it. If you're on mobile, you can just pinch to zoom. But if you're on PC, you can just hover over top. You can switch between them and kind of zoom in and see what it looks like. The second things that is important here is the SKU number. So we want to keep just note of the SKU number because this will tell us some information based on your choices, and in some of the caps have different options. This one particularly, the only options is to choose the cap, whether it's going to be vented or whether it's going to be non-vented. And you'll notice if you click vented, it is a V, and if it's a non-vented, this one's a non-vented, so NV. Once we scroll through, we can scroll down a little bit and we get a little bit more details of the description of the cap itself. One thing that we really need to pay attention to in all of this is you'll see that this cap will fit any of our 2-inch NPSM necks in aluminum steel or stainless steel. And you'll see that written here too, 2-inch NPSM. So we try to come up with the simplest way possible so that you don't buy the wrong cap versus the neck. So it's important that you pick the same thread type. So what we did is we named them in series. So this one is a 2-inch NPSM, and the corresponding neck will be a 2-inch NPSM also. Okay, so let's just say that we're going to add this to the cart, and we want to purchase that. What we can do is jump back, and you'll see here just real quick that it says 2-inch NPSM even in the short description of it. And you'll see these other caps say like 225 series or 350 series, 4-inch NPSL, 228 series, 3-inch NPSL. So all of these are designating either a diameter of it or the type of neck that it goes with. And you can find that in the neck section, which we can go over in a different video. But essentially, this is what the necks look like as well. So back to the caps. So once you've added to the cart that you need, all you really need to do is simply just remember that you selected a 2-inch NPSM. You can check your cart. And you can also see, I added this a little bit earlier, this is give you a quick check over. So 2-inch NPSM, well, this is a 225 series, well, those two won't go together. let's say this isn't your first time and you've shopped with us before and you need something specific, you can always come into the cap section and then use this drop down and pick the series that you're looking for. So let's just say you're looking for a 225 series. When you sort it by 225 series, this will give you only the caps that can be used with a 225 series deck, and so on. So we have 2-inch NPT, 2-inch NPSM. So these three versions can go with a 2-inch NPSM neck. I think that pretty much sums up the cap section of this video. Thanks for watching the video on the cap section of our website. I hope you found this video useful. I put links to each of the products that we talked about in the description below. And if you have any questions, you can always email us directly at sales@boydwelding.com. You can place your orders online 24/7 at fueltankparts.com. Have a good day.